everyone, and welcome to US Computer Solutions for another how-to tutorial. Today we're going to set up and install this Focusrite Solo 3rd generation audio interface. Now the reason why I went out and bought this is so I can have a better crisp audio when I'm recording my videos off of my computer. And the reason why I need an interface is because of my mic. My mic is a condenser mic, and I use an XLR to 3.5 millimeter to connect the mic to the computer. Now the 3.5 millimeter jack doesn't give me the best quality that I want when I record my videos, like a USB would. Now a USB mic would be great, but my camera doesn't use USB and it uses 3.5 millimeter jack to connect the mic. Now you're hearing me right now off of my camera, and the sound sounds crisp and it sounds well. And the reason why, it has a built-in interface that's allowing the mic and the camera to work together perfectly. But when it comes to my computer, and you will hear it later on, when it comes to my computer, I can't hear my videos well. So I bought this device, and this device should give me a good boost and a good clarity for my mic. Now, right out of the box, you see the XLR connection. This is where you connect your mic to. And over here is the gain, if you decreasing it or increasing the gain over here. And for condenser mics, when clicking on this button over here, the 48 volt, this will turn on the mic. Air is supposed to be giving a good brighter sound. Over here on this area, this is where you connect if you have other instruments, and of course you higher or lower the gain over here for those instruments. I was told it was for, I guess, guitars or drums. And in this area over here is where you connect your headphones to, and this is the volume for the headphones. In the back over here, immediately we have a line output. This is where you connect your outer speakers, right or left speaker over here, and this is where you connect your computer to. This is the USB port. It also gives power to the device. All right, so let's start our connections right now. Now I already have it connected to my computer, and now let's connect the jack. Now the jack is already connected to my camera, and I'm gonna remove the jack and start connecting immediately. Alright, so right now I have my mic directly connected to my computer with the 3.5 millimeter jack, and this is the sound that's exactly coming out of the mic. Now my mouth is actually 3 or 4 centimeters away from that mic, which is just literally 5 inches. And I will connect the device. I will switch it down here like this, and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, now immediately, what I did is, after removing the connector from my computer and connecting the XLR cable to the mic, and then turning it on by pressing the 48 volt, this is the sound that you're getting. Now I do hope it's clear. I still didn't hear the video yet, but I'm sure you're hearing sound coming from only one side of the headphones or speakers, and that is because the device has the mic in one channel. So there is a fix for that, and I will show you the fix for that right now. It's actually pretty simple and easy. Now if you go to start, I'll go Control here, and then sound, second screen, maybe you right click properties, advanced, change this to one channel to studio. Now I'm not going to hit apply, but I'm going to explain to you what happens. Hit apply, and everything should work fine after that in the recording, but don't be recording like me. I'm going to hit apply, and then I will continue the recording. You get a message like this, and yes. Alright, I think that issue was resolved. Now you can hear me on both ears, from both headphones or from both speakers. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and like this video. And see you again next time. Thank you for watching.